Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share some insider tips on how to make it in the world of freelancing. And trust me, the secret sauce is all in about acquiring those coveted 5-star ratings. Let's dive in. In freelancing, your rating is as important as the money you make. It's your reputation on the line. Now, I've heard that some newbie freelancers pay to get 5-star reviews, but earning your own 5 stars? That's a habit worth having, and it's totally possible. For me, getting great reviews isn't about luck. I start planning my 5-star rating the moment I bid on a job. And here's how. First, I only accept jobs where I see the potential client is generous with their ratings. If they've been giving past freelancers poor ratings or seem stingy with stars, then I steer clear. Once I bid on a job, my effort to earn those 5 stars begin right from the introduction and proposal. I share my past jobs and showcase my resume filled with happy clients who love giving 5-star ratings. I give 5-star service and expect nothing less than the best, a 5-star rating in return. When I'm hired, I go above and beyond with my service. My communication and presentations are 5-star focused. So the client is already anticipating rating me 5 stars. So why are these sparkling stars so critical? Anything less than 5 stars just doesn't measure up. Not when you are competing against hundreds of other creators just like you. When a potential client visits your profile, the first thing they notice are the visuals. Your profile picture, your portfolio, and of course your stars. The greatest leverage you have are your reviews and your stars. If others say you're good, then that's a done deal. You're good. And they hire you. This is why earning and displaying 5 stars is the most effective way to get more work. In the final phase of a project and before I close the job, I give an extra push to acquire those 5 stars. As I'm closing the job, I pay close attention to how pleased the client is with the final project. If it's obvious that they are happy, then I pop a question. I say something like this. Dear client's name, it's been a pleasure working with you. If everything is top-notch on your end, I'll send the final project and we can close out. Before I do, I'd like to mention that on Upwork, the success of my business depends on the reviews I get. Please note that rating less than 5 stars can actually hurt my overall scores. Would you please consider leaving me a 5-star review? I would be sincerely grateful. Again, thank you for the opportunity to serve you. Honestly, many clients don't understand the Upwork rating system, so it's best to explain it to them instead of assuming they know. In my next video, I'll share with you what you can do if you get a not-so-good rating. There's a solution that works like a charm. I'll explain this when we meet again. Until next time, be freelantastic.